In this video, we're going to go over evaluating expressions using our TI-84 calculator. So the first thing is we got to remind ourselves, what does it mean to evaluate an expression? So here's a quick little easy example. Let's evaluate 3x plus 4 if x equals 3. So what this problem is really telling us to do is substitute the value of x equals 3 wherever we see the variable x. Now we just follow the order of operations. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So how do you do this on your TI-84? It's actually very simple. So here's my TI-84 right here. We're going to turn it on. And what we're going to do is we're going to do the same exact problem, except we're going to use our calculator to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tell the calculator, take the number 3 and store it for x. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to type the number 3 first. Then in the first column, all the way at the very bottom above the on button is the button STO. Stands for store. So click that and you should get a little arrow. And then in the second column, second button down, you're going to see a button that has an X, a T, a theta, and then the letter N. Just hit that button once. So now what you're telling the calculator is take the number 3, store it in for X. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter. Now this value is stored in for X. So what we are going to do now is just type in the expression that we just evaluated earlier. So we have 3x plus 4. And when I hit enter, notice it says 13. In fact, the calculator will store the number 3 until you tell it to do something otherwise. So let's try another example here real quick. So we're going to evaluate 2x to the second plus x minus 7 when x equals negative 4. Okay? So to do this, once again, we are going to go back to our calculator. Oops. There we go. We're going to store negative 4 in for x. And now we just go ahead and type in what our expression was. 2x to the second minus x. Or was it minus x? Oh, sorry, it was plus x. Let me fix that. Plus x minus 7. There we go. So 2x to the second plus x minus 7. And hit enter. And notice that we get positive 21. And that's it. That's how you use your calculator to evaluate any expression that you want.